Hey everyone, welcome back and I hope you are all doing well. In my previous video, we had looked at how to cut, portion, and store pumpkins as well as a recipe for a rich, silky pumpkin puree. Today, we are going to put that puree to use, and you will be surprised how easily it transforms into a number of delicious dishes. Pumpkin is packed with vitamins, great for the skin, increases immunity, and very good for the eyes. So do try to include it in your meals whenever possible. In this video, I have provided several options to include it in sweet and savory recipes. I truly hope you'll try these recipes and I would love to hear your feedback. Before we jump into the pumpkin puree recipes, let's prepare a delicious pumpkin beef roast. The aroma of spices, roasted pumpkin, and the slow roasted beef in this recipe comes together so beautifully. I'm sure you would love this recipe. Now let's get started. You will need approximately 2 cups of peeled and cut pumpkins. Slice 2 green chillies and 1 onion lengthwise. You will also need a handful of curry leaves and 1 tablespoon chopped ginger. Let's keep these ingredients aside and we will come back to it later. Now let's prepare the beef. Take approximately 700 grams of beef. Always add 1 tablespoon of vinegar or lemon juice when washing the meat. To the meat, add 2 chopped garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, half teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon pepper, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon Garam Masala powder, and 2 teaspoons of paprika. Now mix all the spices into the meat for a minute and then pressure cook it with 1 cup of water. I'm using my instant pot today and will be cooking the meat on high pressure for 25 minutes. All details are in the description box. While the meat cooks, let's get back to the pumpkins. Heat a pan with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or canola oil. On high heat, roast the pumpkin pieces until golden. This will take approximately 4 to 5 minutes. We are not cooking them fully at this stage here, but we will be roasting them to a golden color so that they firm up and do not get mushy easily. Once done, remove and set aside. In the same pan, add 1 more tablespoon of oil. When hot, add mustard seeds and let them splutter. Now add the sliced onions and chillies. Saute for a minute and then add approximately 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now add the ginger followed by curry leaves. Saute for another 4 minutes. Now add the spice powders: 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, half teaspoon garam masala, and half teaspoon black pepper powder. Saute well for 1 more minute and then add the cooked beef along with any leftover cooking liquid in the pan. Cook on medium heat for approximately 7 minutes till all the water has almost evaporated and the beef is semi dry and coated in the spices. Adjust salt and pepper as per taste at this point. Now add the roasted pumpkin and gently toss everything together. Let it cook for at least 4 minutes so that all the flavors blend well, stirring occasionally with gentle hands. Once done, garnish with cilantro and the dish is now ready to be served. This pumpkin beef roast is absolutely delicious. Enjoy it with hot pita bread, toasted with butter, or with a bowl of rice. Now let's move to the pumpkin puree recipes. Homemade puree stays fresh in the fridge up to a week, so I highly recommend making your own pumpkin puree. If you don't have homemade pumpkin puree, you can definitely use store bought pumpkin puree as well. Now let's look at a hot and a cold version of pumpkin latte. These delicious lattes taste even better than the cafe versions and is so quick to put together. So let's get started with the cold latte first. You will need 1 cup of milk. You could use regular almond, oat or soy milk. 1 tablespoon pumpkin puree. 3 tablespoon espresso concentrate. 1 teaspoon sugar, 2 teaspoon maple syrup, 1/8 teaspoon pumpkin spice, which is basically a pinch each of cinnamon, ginger and nutmeg. And a splash of vanilla extract. If you don't have espresso concentrate, I have shared easy alternatives in the description box. Do check it out. Mix everything well and use a frother to froth it up for approximately 2 minutes. Use a tall glass when making this recipe. Now add 3 to 4 ice cubes and top with whipped cream and a sprinkle of cinnamon or nutmeg. And your delicious, refreshing pumpkin latte is now ready to enjoy. Now let's make a warm pumpkin latte using the same ingredients. Add 1 cup milk, 1 tablespoon pumpkin puree, 3 tablespoon espresso concentrate, splash of vanilla, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/8 teaspoon spice mix, and 2 teaspoon maple syrup. Heat this mixture on medium heat. Once it begins to simmer, turn off the heat and pour it into a cup. Now let's use a frother to add froth to this drink as well. Lastly, add the whipped cream and finish with a sprinkle of cinnamon. The whipped cream and cinnamon will melt into the latte, creating a warm, cozy drink. Do give both these drinks a try and let me know if you like the warm or the cold version better. Next, let's make super easy pumpkin roti. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups whole wheat flour, 1 cup pumpkin puree, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, and 2 teaspoons dried fenugreek leaves. Mix everything together. This recipe does not need water as the moisture from the pumpkin puree is enough to form the dough. The dough has come together without any water. Knead for another 3 to 4 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon oil and cover and let it rest for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. The dough has been resting. Now let's divide the dough into lemon-sized balls. You'll get approximately 9 medium-sized rotis from this dough. Now let's roll them out. On a heated pan, cook on one side for 1 minute till it turns white at the bottom and small brown spots begin to appear. Flip and cook for 1 minute on the other side as well. Add a little oil and gently tap on it so that it fluffs up. Now your beautiful golden roti is ready. These rotis are extremely soft and perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It is best when it is served hot. If you're looking for a simple way to add more pumpkin into your meals, this is a great recipe. Now let's look at the last recipe, which is pumpkin puree cupcakes topped with pecans. These pumpkin cupcakes are tender, moist, perfect with a cup of coffee, snacking, or gifting during the holiday season. So let's get started. For the dry ingredients you will need 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, half teaspoon pumpkin spice, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda. Mix all the dry ingredients together and keep it aside. Now let's move to the wet ingredients. You will need 1 cup of pumpkin puree, half cup oil, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 2 room temperature eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix everything well till well combined. Now pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Mix till everything is well combined, but do not overmix. Now the smooth batter is ready. This recipe makes 12 cupcakes. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius and line a cupcake tray. Fill cupcake liners 3/4 full and top it with pecans for that crunchy, nutty flavor. Pat the tray a couple of times to release any air bubbles. Now bake for 18 to 22 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Once out of the oven, let it cool slightly. These cupcakes are moist and have a wonderful nutty crunch, and they are so yummy they will disappear in no time. Here is another tip for serving. Prepare a butter maple drizzle by taking 2 tablespoons butter and 3 tablespoons maple syrup or honey and pour it over the cupcakes while they are still warm. My kids love these cupcakes and hope your loved ones enjoy them too. That's all for today's video. I hope you will try these amazing recipes this holiday season and don't forget to drop a comment. We have explored a lot of pumpkins together. Now let's pivot to the Christmas season preparations. In the next video, I'll be sharing easy, delicious, and impressive Christmas trees that come together in under 15 to 20 minutes. I'm so excited to get ready for Christmas with all of you. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe. See you soon in the next video. Bye for now.